Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your income potential with eBay stock, complete guide step by step clearly. To increase your income potential with eBay stock, start by researching the company's background. Understand eBay's business model and how it generates revenue. Study recent market trends and how they impact eBay's stock performance. Identify the key factors that influence eBay's stock price. Analyze eBay's financial statements to assess its profitability and growth potential. Look into eBay's competitive landscape and its position within the e-commerce industry. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable brokerage that offers low fees and good customer support. Fund your account to begin trading eBay stock. Create a diversified investment strategy to mitigate risks. Decide on your investment approach, short-term trading or long-term holding. For short-term trading, set clear buy and sell targets. Use technical analysis to identify entry and exit points for your trades. For long-term holding, focus on eBay's fundamentals and growth prospects. Keep an eye on news that impacts the eBay stock price. Monitor eBay's quarterly earnings reports for insights on performance. Consider using limit orders to control your buying and selling prices. Regularly review and adjust your investment strategy based on market conditions. Learn about options trading as a way to leverage your investments. Explore other e-commerce stocks to compare and adjust your portfolio. Stay informed about changes in consumer behavior and its effects on eBay. Utilize financial news platforms and market analysis tools for updates. Join online forums or investment groups to share insights with others. Set realistic income goals based on your investment strategy. Evaluate your progress routinely to stay aligned with your financial targets. Be patient and disciplined as you work toward increasing your income potential. Understand that investing in stocks involves risks and requires careful planning. Keep educating yourself about the stock market and investment strategies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.